Socializing 23. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4210, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that envy destroys good deeds just like fire consumes wood. Envy is a serious and major sin, because the envier's problem is not with another person. In reality, their problem is with Allah, the Exalted, as He is the one who granted the blessing which is envied. So a person's envy only demonstrates their displeasure with the allocation and choice of Allah, the Exalted. They believe Allah, the Exalted, made a mistake when He allocated a particular blessing to another person instead of them. Some exert efforts through their speech and actions in order to confiscate the blessing from the envied person, which is undoubtedly a sin. The worst kind is when the envier strives to remove the blessing from the owner, even if the envier does not obtain the blessing themselves. Envy is only lawful when a person does not act on their feelings, dislikes their feelings and strives to obtain a similar blessing without the owner losing their blessing. Even though this type is not a sin, it is disliked if the envy is over a worldly blessing and praiseworthy if it is over a religious blessing. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentioned two examples of the praiseworthy type in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 1896. The first person who can be lawfully envied is the one who acquires and spends lawful wealth in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. The second person who can be lawfully envied is the one who uses their knowledge in the correct way and teaches it to others. An envious Muslim should strive to remove this feeling from their heart by showing good character and kindness towards the person envied, such as praising their good qualities and supplicating for them until their envy becomes love for them. They must never let their envy prevent them fulfilling the rights of others, according to the teachings of Islam. A Muslim must always remember that Allah, the Exalted, always allocates blessings according to His infinite knowledge and wisdom. Meaning, He gives each person what is best for them. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Therefore, instead of envying others, one must busy themselves in using the blessings they have been granted by Allah, the Exalted, in ways pleasing to Him. This will lead to an increase in blessings, as this attitude is showing gratitude to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
In addition, this will lead to peace of mind, which the persistent envier never obtains. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.